ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka BDWS Career Academy kan penlong ya Meghalaya Scholastic Aptitude Test haka khatan riu tarik upanai March haka porship ho bajem step hashulong tura but clear.
Ka NES Jorabad kuwei nega Jaka Theh Umphniang kali jonga Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited kabla pau bha haki jala jonga tha chate la mingi kari India haka khat nyotre ulber arajar pusau kala rakhi ke jingyal enti ka khat Snem banai jing shakri haka ba pinbiang yak Umphniang kali shagi pat ba ke jala Meghalaya bat Assam badaki jala jonga tha chate la mingi kari India. Haga ni kesngi la sakhilang do menteri ke sarkar uba Alexander lalu heng ubla long kumu kongsan berubla pliru ya ke petrol pump bela pin khatnan dak NES Jorabad ringkat ke jinan lang ujubin guard udong roy bapau keri managing director jok NRL uba BJ Phukan head retail is BPCL Udipashes Nek state head north east Pankaj Das territory manager ka Assam Mosam Khan state engineering officer Fayaz Alam territory manager ka Shillong Janjit Das engineering officer ka Shillong Pankaj Dole bat QA.
This NRL petrol pump belong to my very good friend Sri Sripalji. He is here with me and his wife Kusum, she is here with me. In 18 years back, we have inaugurated at the main petrol pump. Today it is the extension. So we are going to inaugurate today for the extension of the NRL pump here in Jorabad.